Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, welcome to the class. It's physics class for the grade 8, and today we are going to discuss about the Vernier caliper. Student, first of all, I will tell you about the measuring instruments. The definition is instruments which are used to measure physical quantities that are known as measuring instruments. वो तमाम इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कि पैमाइश करने के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाएं. Like I ask you what is the time, you will definitely see the watch. Or if I ask you to measure the time of some period, then you will use stopwatch. It means stopwatch is the measuring instrument to calculate the time. Similarly, for measuring the length, you use the meter ruler, and for measuring the mass, you will use the beam balance, and for measuring temperature, you will use the thermometer. So these are the instruments which are used to measure the physical quantity. In your car or a bike, there are speedometer which is used to measure the speed, that is also a measuring instrument. So all those instruments which are used to measure any physical quantity, these are the measuring instrument, and one of these instruments is the Vernier caliper, which I am going to discuss in this lecture. So what is the Vernier caliper? Vernier caliper is a device which is used to measure the length. You know, length is the basic physical quantity, and we can measure the length with the help of Vernier caliper of those objects which are very small, and we cannot measure their length by using meter ruler. Then we will use the Vernier caliper. It is the type of measuring device which is used to measure the length of small fractions by sliding one scale on another scale. It is showing its working. That what type of instrument is this? It is a type of instrument which is used to measure, but it works by sliding one scale on another scale. You can see this. It is a Vernier caliper, and it consists of two scales, and one scale can slide on the other scale, and by sliding this scale I can measure any value. So this is the diagram for Vernier scale. First of all, I will tell you the parts of Vernier caliper. What are the parts of Vernier caliper? These are the 6 parts of Vernier caliper. One is the outside or lower jaws. In the below, you can see that there are 2 jaws, and practically you can also see that these are the 2 jaws. Inside are upper jaws. These are the upper jaws. In the practical, you can also see that there are 2 jaws. And the main scale. This is the long. This long is the main scale, and the scale which slide. You can see there is a scale which move on the other scale, that is known as sliding scale or Vernier scale. When I slide this scale, a needle came out of it. This needle is called depth probe. This needle is known as depth probe, and the last is the retainer. If I slide this and I want to fix it here, I will move this screw. This screw is called retainer. It is used to fix the scale on that. All these the function of these parts are written on your book. You can see page number 15 and 16. You can when you are going to prepare the topic on your notebook, you can use this book, page number 15 and 16. Okay, now I will tell you that what are the function of these parts and how it works. First of all, the lower jaws. The lower jaws are used to find the outside diameter or outside length or outside measurements of anything. Like this is the cap of marker, and I want to find the outside diameter of that. I will put inside the lower jaws, then I will block it. You can see this is the lower jaws, and now I am blocking it. This is the way I can use. This is the way I can measure the external diameter of the cap of marker. Now the upper jaws can also used to measure the internal diameter. These are used to find out that from inside it has some another diameter. It can be found with the help of upper jaws or inside jaws. Then there is a main scale which gives us reading in the centimeter. It length is about 15. Usually it is of 15 centimeter, but some of the Vernier caliper may have 20 to 25 centimeters. Then Vernier scale. This is the Vernier scale. You can see that this is the Vernier scale, and which slide on that. These 2 lines which are sliding. This is the Vernier scale, and it consists of 9 divisions. It is actually the 10 millimeter in length and consists of 9 divisions on it. and it is used to measure the length in millimeters. Like I say that this cap is about 3 centimeter and 4 millimeter. So for millimeter I use the vernier scale. Then there is a depth probe. You see that there is a needle which came out of the vernier caliper. I don't know that how much deep it is. So I will put the needle in that, and this is the length which is which shows the depth of the cap, and I from this place I can use measure the values. And this is the retainer which is used to block the sliding scale on the main scale. I will define it that retainer is a screw which is used to block the vernier scale on main scale. This is the diagram. Okay, also you will understand how it is a vernier caliper and how it is worked. And the last thing is least count. What is the least count? The minimum calculation that can be done with the help of this device. Like for this, the least count is 0.05 millimeter. It means that minimum the length which can be measured by this device is 0.05 millimeter. If any object whose length is less than 0.05, it cannot be measured by this. So it is the least count. Least count shows that the minimum length can be calculated by any measuring device, and the formula to calculate the least count is the smallest deviation divided by total number of deviation on the main scale. Like what is the smallest deviation? 1 millimeter divided by total number of deviations as 15. You will divide and you will get the value of that. So also you will understand what is the vernier caliper and how for which purpose it is used. And if you have any query, any question, you can ask me. And now I will tell you that how you will prepare your topic. First of all, you will write the definition of vernier caliper. Then you will write the least count, definition of least count. It is also written on the page number 15. Then the formula for you can use the formula for the least count on the page number 16. Then you will write the heading parts. First of all, you will write the 6 parts, and then you will define each part separately. You can also find it on page number 16, and you will give separate heading for the main scale and sliding or vernier scale. And there are 2 paragraphs for this on your notebook, page number 15. You will also write that on your neat notebook. So you will prepare this topic on your neat notebook. Then you have to show me this topic, and I will hope so you will understand this. And thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.